had it. I need a large noodle.
Yes, Yasmin, ¿qué necesitaba?
You shouldn't have been looking. Okay.
That shit didn't have it.
Because, look, I looked over there and he was I said, God damn, and you looking at the page. What the hell? I want one.
Ah, Yasmin. No. Yasmin. Lord, baby Jesus.
So you tengo el ticket.
That'll be 1081 for the number
Deja
2.
verlos.
The Lord fee.
Ahorita que-
Get that mind out your mind, you're a baby. Get that out your mind.
What did Mike do?
What?
That's my boss. I picture him. I probably know what he did.
Yeah, I get 6 on 7.
$6. Are you on the 4-wheelers today?
Yeah.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Yo tengo 11-2.
¿12 número 11? Por supuesto. ¿Dos botellas de $5? Thank you, sir.
I don't need it, thank you. But yeah, man, I'm about to, I don't even know why I'm recording right now. But I wanted to go to like a park or something, and I had brought the drone with me, about to see if I could make it follow me as I ride. I tried to be full, it ain't work. I guess cause it was like too dark out, but shit, now I kinda caught it a little earlier this time. See if I could get it to work. I don't know. I was thinking too, man, I don't even know if that type of video would be good for the channel. I don't know. Just try it out. See. I see like most people like the GoPro footage. I had just bought a new lens for this one. I see in the daytime though, really need to get something like a tent cover for the lens, cause it be so bright. Probably take Lil York way. Get over there.